So, are you also going to continue this hunger strike till you get some
My
concession?
people will be here, but I've asked the crowd to go back because I don't want them to be waiting here. I will go to Delhi and they've told me to, they've requested me that to come there and have a talk with them, and I'm doing that. So unconditionally I'll tell them to go back home, but my workers and my stage and my party mission will all be here. That is it.
You will continue your hunger strike till you get.
I will go without any food to Delhi, and until I don't have anything, I will go empty stomach, and until I don't get anything, I will meet them with respect and have the respect for the institution. But our issues have to be addressed, and until the issue cannot be addressed, I cannot be celebrating too early.
And written, you need written again.
Just now, I've been informed that I'm supposed to be there.
Mic like it's a mic.
When I got the call, I've been officially requested. I don't think it is proper for me, but it has come from official sources.